This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive. This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today's video is actually inspired by one of my followers and good friend Joe Cottarelli. A while ago, Joe Cottarelli and I were talking about solutions for the center of the steering wheel on the Murcielago, and he came up with a pretty good solution involving a raised sticker with the Lamborghini logo on it. Unfortunately, it was just a little tad too big, so I came up with these metal Lamborghini logos, and they're adhesive backed, and you can put it right on the center of the steering wheel. So actually this one is Joe's, so Joe, I'm hooking you up with this, so I hope you enjoy it. It's pretty sweet, as you can see. And let's take a look how it looks on the car.
That looks awesome. Look at that. Looks great. Nice real metal emblem.
So as you can see, that's how you make a Murcielago steering wheel look a hell of a lot better. I don't know why they didn't put the badge branding on the airbag to begin with. Honestly, they did it on the Gallardo, so it's kind of crazy. But yeah, you can just put a little logo on there, and it looks pretty damn sweet. Anyways, this is Jay with Car Guys New England. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. Until next time, take care.